Hello and welcome to DocPlex's Middle East Health Minute. Owing to the high success of the vaccination campaign, UAE has set up a safe travel corridor with several other countries. Now, the countries have relaxed travel restrictions and quarantine guidelines for fully vaccinated citizens and will facilitate entry without the need for a negative test report. A reputed biotechnology company has received the US FDA approval for bupivacaine and meloxicam, the first dual-acting local anesthetic for periarticular instillation in adults after bunionectomy, open inguinal herniorrhaphy, and total knee arthroplasty. Researchers at the McMaster University in Ontario, Canada, reported that removing the left atrial appendage can reduce the risk of stroke in patients with heart arrhythmia. The benefits of blood thinner drugs often prescribed to arrhythmia patients can be improved due to the removal of the appendage. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, fully vaccinated individuals can engage in any indoor or outdoor activity without the need for a mask or social separation. This decision of the CDC has been condemned by the Registered Nurses Union of the US, stating that this would jeopardize the health of the frontline health workers. Do you think this is the appropriate time to relax the protective measures for vaccinated residents? Let us know by commenting below. Health Minute, the most popular segment of DocPlexus, is now available for the Middle East every Tuesday and Friday at 8 a.m. Stay tuned for the latest happenings in the medical field. Happy DocPlexing!